Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Oracle Cloud Infrastructure CLI for OCI API calls, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the official Oracle Cloud Infrastructure website. Log in to your Oracle Cloud account. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu. Select Documentation from the menu. In the Documentation section, search for CLI installation. Click on the link that refers to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure CLI installation. Review the prerequisites listed for the CLI installation. Ensure that you have Python installed on your system. If Python is not installed, visit the official Python website to download and install it. Once Python is installed, return to the Oracle documentation for CLI. Download the CLI package provided for your operating system. If you are using Windows, ensure to download the executable installer. For macOS and Linux, you will typically download a tarball or zip file. After downloading, locate the file in your system's downloads folder. Extract the contents of the downloaded file if necessary. Open your command line interface. For Windows, you may use Command Prompt or PowerShell. For macOS and Linux, open the terminal. Navigate to the directory where the CLI files are located. Run the installation command as specified in the Oracle documentation. Depending on your system, you may need to use pip install followed by the package name. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, verify the installation by typing OCI version in your command line. If the version displays without errors, the installation was successful. Configure the CLI by setting up your API keys. Refer to the configuration section in the Oracle documentation for specific steps. Run the configuration command to input your credentials and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.